So what, the Y, did you say the force is just a lot bigger than 490?
Why? Because most of it, if this is still going to be 490 right here, the vertical component, but this X component, because you've also got a 490 on this side, right?
Okay, so so the 490 is the same. That's just
Yeah, but the force that's the Y is actually in the wire, because that's only the Y component. The X component is huge, and it's just fighting this other X component. It's just being wasted, in essence. It's not lifting the thing up. It's just, it's just the two things are fighting each other. So it's not doing any lifting. Okay, let's. Call this one A. Okay, I want to add vector A and B. And then we're going to do this problem two different ways. We're going to start by doing it graphically, get a graphical answer, and then we're going to do it numerically, where we get the pen and paper, where we get a numerical answer. So we've already done the graphical solution to this. So do y'all remember how we do this? We do them head to tail. Doesn't matter which one we start with. We draw one. I'm going to draw it anew over here. And I'm going to start with my A. I'm going to do it real accurately, right? That's my A, and this has a 25 degrees exactly. And then I'm going to get my B. A was 3 units and B was 5 units. So what's my resultant look like? That's going to look really goofy when you're doing that, isn't it? What's the resultant look like? Anybody? Travis? Brett, what's the resultant look like?
A triangle.
Well, which way? Just north, south, east, west, what?
Maybe southeast.
Southeast, okay. How about that? Like that?
Yes.
Okay. You start from the very beginning to the very end. Okay, so we have got, and if we want to figure out how long is that one? Well, I can just guess by looking at the board. If this is 3 and this is 5, and this is maybe what, 2 something? You do this on graph paper, where you've got the little squares. You can do this real accurately with graph paper, so you can get a pretty good answer. You can get it down to 2.2 or something like that. The other way to do it is to do this by summing all the X components and summing all the Y components. So to do that, we're going to back up and work it over here. So we're going to break this one down, A, into X and Y. And we're going to take B into X and Y. And we're going to add the X's and add the Y's. And then we're going to throw them back up on the last one. It'll be easier than what it sounds. So first, we want to take A. We're going to find out the X component and the Y component of A. So I'm going to arbitrarily finish this. Maybe I'll use some different colors here. I'm going to finish this thing out like this. I could have gone up and across. It doesn't matter.